Welcome to Basics in Education. In this video, we will be discussing the revised date sheet issued by University of Kashmir for BG 5th semester batch 2021 CBCS choice based credit system. So as per this date sheet, the timing of paper is 2:30 p.m. Firstly, the examination of skill papers to be conducted by concerned colleges from 19 October 2023 to 30 October 2023. Then on 4th of November 2023, examination of General English will be conducted. On 6th November 2023, examination of Geography, Biotechnology, Food Science and Technology, Economics, Geography, Sociology with different titles will be conducted. Then on 8th of November 2023, examination of Chemistry, Industrial Chemistry, Electronics, Political Science, Education, Islamic Studies, English Literature with different titles will be conducted. Then on 10th of November 2023, examination of Zoology, Statistics, Philosophy with different titles will be conducted. Then on Monday 13th November 2023, examination of Mathematics, Psychology, History with different titles will be conducted. On 15th November 2023, examination of the papers like Geology, Biochemistry, Arabic, Urdu Literature with different titles will be conducted. Then on 17th of November 2023, examination of Botany, Physics, Kashmiri Literature will be conducted. Then on 20th of November 2023, examination of Public Administration, Social Work, Anthropology with different titles will be conducted. The examination of generic elective courses will be conducted on 22nd November 2023. And in these courses, you have Sociology with the title Basics of Sociology, History with the title Themes in History, Part 1st, Education with the title Mental Health and Hygiene, Political Science with the title Indian Constitution, etc. That's all. Thank you for watching. We hope you find this video informative. In the description, I am providing some important links which are beneficial for you. For more videos like this, stay tuned to Basics in Education.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel and enjoy watching the videos.